I tell you guys, I love the shower radio that I got for Christmas, and I posted it on Facebook. And I mentioned, I thanked Amy McAlevey for, giving me that radio, and her husband Bob McAlevey. But that thing's so cool because when I wake up in the morning, I can listen to music while I'm showering. But the only catch is I use it so much it drains the battery. But other than that, I love it. You can hang it right in your shower, and like the box said when I got it, it's waterproof, which I think's awesome. Usually listen to the buzz in the morning while you're showering. Music really helps you wake up and stuff. And I recommend anyone that likes to, listen to the radio in the morning. What is it, Spazzano and Sandy? They're the new ones because I heard what happened with Kimberly and Beck, kind of. But, like, you can listen in your shower instead of just your car, and I think that's really cool. And I really don't have much to say on this video. I just wanted to bring up that I like it, and I thank them for my gift and stuff. And I think they have them in Walmart, guys, if you're curious. But I listen to it all the time. I haven't in the last couple days because I got to change the batteries, but I do love my shower radio. So I'm out, guys. I got to get ready for work. So have a good day and peace.